And cut it about like so. And then we're gonna cut it. Maybe we'll do some thin pieces. What do you guys think? Let me know what you guys like to do. I like to do maybe 5. That looks pretty good. All right, now we're gonna cut them just like this. Make some cubes, some rectangles. You can do them different sizes. That's all right. All right, we got all of our nice bread over here, a pound cake. Call it a pound cake because you put a pound of sugar, a pound of butter, a pound of everything in there. All right, got this over here, and this could be a no-bake cheesecake. Really light, nice and refreshing. You come over here, baby. And if you want, you could just dump these in here. Just dump them in there like that, but they kind of don't scatter so well, you know. So let's see what we can do about that. And the whole idea here is low effort, high payout, high flavor. And you can kind of just layer the bottom, cascade them. Some falling apart a little bit. That's okay. Add to the flavor profile, right? It's basically going to be the crust. All right, get them all in there. Yep. Yeah, like I said, my friends, you could go all out with this, or you can just plop it in there and be done. Doesn't really matter. All right, we got over here. Got a few Tetris pieces that don't fit too well.
Those ones. Alright, almost done. Alright, got that one. Make some room there. Make some room over here. And I guess we could just
stick this one right here. All right, there we go. There we go, friends. Nice and simple. We got a couple pockets here and there. Not a problem. It's gonna be like a sponge. It's gonna suck all that stuff out. All right, now we're gonna get our pie filling. I'm gonna just dump these babies right in here. Just dump them out. And we're using 2 21-ounce cans, but if you want to just use one, that's totally fine. You want to change it up, use lemon pie, cherry pie. It's all good. You do it however you want. But yeah, nice little easy template recipe right here. All right, now we're gonna spread it out. These blueberries over here. Distribute the blueberries. That beautiful glaze. It smells so good, my friends. It's too bad there's not smell-o-vision right now. You smell it through the video. All right, now we are ready for our cheesecake. All right, now it's time for this. This is the good stuff, my friends. There we go. Very, very good. Oh, man. All right, now we're just gonna grab some and we're gonna plop it down. Grab some and plop it down. I'm gonna grab the last little bit and we're gonna plop it down. All right, there's a little bit left in here. I might need to take care of this myself for the guys later, so let's set this to the side. All right, yeah, and spread this out over here. If you're running out of room a little bit on top, that's okay. You put as much nice, creamy, cheesy, no bake cheeseberry cake. Oh yeah. All right, I think we're ready for our cream. All right, now we're gonna do a little cheesecake mix over here and make it a little extra cheesecakey. Get the whipped cream into cheesecake whipped cream. See over here? Oh shoot, there we go. Sometimes you get lucky. All right, take this out. And I'm just gonna mix it right in here with the drill over here. Keep everything simple. If you don't have a drill, just use a whisk. Not a problem. Stick that over there. There we go. Again, this adds a lot of volume, my friends. It'll take all those milk proteins and all the casein, they'll just firm right up. There we go. I think we might give it a little fold, give it kind of a head start. Maybe put this powder towards the center, so when we get to mixing, we don't make a big old cloud over here of dust. All right, drill time. Oh yeah, we're ready to go. Let's give it a try. Oh, this is so good. So so good. I'm using the sugar-free one, but you know, you can use the regular one if you want, or you can use blueberry, or you can use whatever kind of filling they have. You can use cherry. Oh, got a little on my face here. Okay. Still there? Okay, that's what. Good thing about aprons, right? All right. Now let's see. All right, and we're gonna give these a few plops in here. This is gonna be our topping. You know, then we put our beautiful blueberries on there. Oops. Yeah, you see this thickened up a lot, my friends. Give it a little texture, you know, give it some volume, more cheesecake-like, you know. I like the thick cheesecake. I don't like it all thin, you know, and runny. Oops, dropped a little bit. That's okay. It'd be like that sometimes. Looking pretty good, my friends. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments what you think. Oh yeah, this is a really easy one too. Really easy, and we're gonna let it thicken. You know, we're gonna do it overnight, but I would say at least, you know, give it 4 hours or so. Get all those edges right there. Very good, very good. All right, now we got our blueberries. We got the blueberries. We're not going to use all these. We're just going to give it a little. There's a lot of place there. Just a few here and there, and it's going to thicken. You know, this top layer of cream. It's going to thicken with that cheesecake, and then the bottom, all that pound cake is going to suck up all that that blueberry pie filling. It's going to be really, really good. So you definitely want to let this one sit for a while because it'll only get better. We're about done over here. We're going to be coming right back, showing you the reveal. All right, stay tuned. Check this baby out. Looks good. Gonna let it sit overnight. I'm gonna go in there with a bite, see how all those flavors merge, see how it hardened up. We'll see right now. All right, I'm gonna plate over here. We go in here with the metal. We got the rubber too. We're gonna see what we do, what we're gonna need. Let's see if we can get that. Check that out, my friends. Very nice, nice cheeseberry pound cake. No bake. Cheeseberry cake. And check this out, my friends. Give that a nice turn. Very nice. Alright, yeah, let's check this over here. And this is nice and firm here, this whipped cream. You know, it's not all soggy or nothing, it's nice and firm. Let's see how it all comes together. Can't have your cake and eat it. I guess that's what they mean. Okay. Pretty much everything there. Really good. Yeah, my friends, you wouldn't even know that, you know, you put this together from some random ingredients. This is really good. The bottom, nice and light, nice and fluffy. Definitely give this one a try. Really simple. We use the cheesecake filling. We use the whipped topping. Mixed it with that cheesecake Jello. Really, really nice step right there. Don't skip that. The pound cake cut up. Really, really good. Nice and refreshing. It's a great summer treat. It's getting hot out there. You're gonna want something like this, you know, your kids. You know, there's not too much sugar in here. There's a little bit of sugar from the blueberry, but it could be worse. It could be like, you know, a sugar buttercream cake. You know what I mean? It's not that bad. Once in a while, everything in moderation. Am I right, my friends? Give this one a try. Thank you for watching. Make sure you're subscribed and check out some of the other stuff we got. We got lots of other stuff. All right, thank you for watching. God bless.